Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today, we're going to solve one of the biggest mysteries in English.
Do or make? That is the question.
Many students ask us, when do I use do and when do I use make?
Great question. These two words are very confusing because in many languages, they're the same word.
But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use.
We're going to use stories, examples, and real conversations to help you remember.
Let's get started.
Let's start with Mike's morning. Mike, what did you do this morning?
Well, first I made breakfast. I made scrambled eggs and toast.
Delicious. What else?
Then I made my bed, I made some coffee, and after that, I did my morning exercises.
Wait, stop. Did everyone notice? Mike said, I made breakfast, I made my bed, I made coffee, but then I did my exercises.
Exactly. Why is that? Let's find out together.
After breakfast, what did you do?
I did the dishes, I did some work on my computer, and then I made a phone call to my mom.
Perfect. You're using both do and make. Now let's learn the rules.
Here's the simple way to remember. Make equals create or produce something new. When you make something, you create a result. Something new appears.
Examples. Make breakfast, food appears. Make a cake appears. Make a plan, a new plan exists. Make a decision, you create a choice.
Now for do. Do equals perform an action or activity. When you do something, you perform a task, but you don't create a physical thing.
Examples. Do homework, you perform the activity of studying. Do exercise, you perform physical activity. Do the dishes, you perform the cleaning task. Do your best, you perform an effort.
Let's make this even clearer with a story.
Yesterday was a very busy day for me. Let me tell you about it.
I'll help explain which words Sarah uses and why.
In the morning, I made a list of things to do.
She made a list because she created something new. The list now exists.
Then I did my laundry and did some cleaning around the house.
She did laundry and cleaning because these are activities, tasks you perform.
After that, I made lunch for my family. I made pasta and salad.
She made lunch because she created food. The pasta didn't exist before.
In the afternoon, I did some shopping and did some work from home.
Shopping and work are activities, so we use do.
Finally, before bed, I did my skincare routine and made a plan for today.
Skincare is a routine activity, do, but making a plan creates something new, make.
Now let's look at common expressions. First, expressions with do.
Activities and tasks. Do homework. Do exercise. Do yoga. Do sports. Do work. Do a job. Do business.
Household tasks. Do the dishes. Do the laundry. Do the cleaning. Do the ironing. Do the shopping.
General actions. Do your best. Do a favor. Do damage. Do good. Do harm.
Let's practice. Mike, can you do me a favor?
Of course. What do you need?
Can you do the dishes after we finish filming?
Sure. I always do the dishes. No problem.
Now for make expressions.
Food and drinks. Make breakfast. Make lunch. Make dinner. Make a cake. A sandwich. A salad. Make coffee. Make tea. Make a reservation at a restaurant.
Communication. Make a phone call. Make a speech. Make a suggestion. Make a comment. Make a joke.
Decisions and plans. Make a decision. Make a choice. Make a plan. Make an appointment. Make arrangements.
Creating things. Make a mistake. Make money. Make a noise. Make a mess. Make progress.
Emotions and reactions. Make someone happy, sad, or angry. Make someone laugh, cry. Make a difference. Make an effort.
Some expressions are tricky. Let's look at them.
Make the bed. You're not creating a new bed, but we say make because you're creating order and neatness.
Do your hair versus make your hair beautiful. Do is the activity, make is the result.
Make a fire. You create fire, so make.
Do the right thing. It's about performing an action, so do.
Make time. You create time in your schedule, so make.
Do nothing. Even doing nothing is an activity, so we use do. Let's practice with a complete conversation.
Sarah, what are you going to do this weekend?
Well, on Saturday morning, I'm going to do some yoga, and then I'll make breakfast for my family.
That sounds nice. What are you making?
I'm making pancakes and fruit salad. What about you? Do you have plans?
Yes, I need to do my laundry because I didn't do it last week. I also want to make some progress on my book.
Oh, you're writing a book? That's exciting. Are you making good progress?
Yes, I am. I try to do a little bit every day. It makes a big difference.
That's great. Do you want to make plans to meet on Sunday?
Sure, let's make a plan. Should we do something fun?
Yes, let's make a reservation at that new restaurant. I'll do the research and find a good time.
Perfect. You do the research and I'll make the phone call to book the table.
Great. This will make me very happy. I love trying new restaurants.
Let's look at common mistakes students make.
Mistake 1. Do a cake. Wrong. I will do a cake for the party. Right. I will make a cake for the party. Why? You're creating something new.
Mistake 2. Make homework. Wrong. I need to make my homework tonight. Right. I need to do my homework tonight. Why? Homework is an activity you perform.
Mistake 3. Do a decision. Wrong. We need to do a decision quickly. Right. We need to make a decision quickly. Why? You're creating a choice.
Mistake 4. Make the dishes. Wrong. Can you make the dishes after dinner? Right. Can you do the dishes after dinner? Why? It's a household task or activity.
Mistake 5. Do a mistake. Wrong. I did a big mistake on the test. Right. I made a big mistake on the test. Why? A mistake is something created, even if by accident.
Mistake 6. Make exercise. Wrong. I make exercise every morning. Right. I do exercise every morning. Why? Exercise is an activity.
Here are some tricks to help you remember.
Trick 1. The creation test. Ask yourself, does something new appear? If yes, use make. If no, use do.
Example. A cake appears after you make it. Make a cake. The dishes don't appear. You just clean them. Do the dishes.
Trick 2. The physical object test. If you can touch the result, usually make. If you can't touch it, could be either, but check if it's an activity, do, or creation, make.
Trick 3. Common categories. Food and drinks usually make. Household tasks usually do. Plans and decisions usually make. Exercise and activities usually do.
But remember, there are exceptions. The best way is to learn the common expressions.
Let's do a quick quiz. We'll say a sentence and you think do or make.
Number 1. I need to my bed.
The answer is make. Make my bed.
Number 2. Can you me a favor?
The answer is do. Do me a favor.
Number 3. She's going to a speech at the conference.
The answer is make. Make a speech.
Number 4. I have to the laundry today.
The answer is do. Do the laundry.
Number 5. Let's dinner together tonight.
The answer is make. Make dinner.
Number 6. He always his best at work.
The answer is do. Does his best.
How many did you get correct? Tell us in the comments.
Now repeat after us to practice pronunciation and memory.
Sentence 1. I make breakfast every morning.
Sentence 2. She does her homework after school.
Sentence 3. They made a decision yesterday.
Sentence 4. We do exercise 3 times a week.
Sentence 5. He makes me laugh all the time.
Sentence 6. I need to do the dishes.
Excellent work.
Now review the main points one more time.
Make equals create or produce something. Make food, make plans, make decisions. Make phone calls, make mistakes, make progress. Something new appears or is created.
Do equals perform an activity or task. Do homework, do work, do exercise. Do the dishes, do the laundry, do the cleaning. You perform an action but don't create a physical thing.
Remember, when in doubt, ask yourself, am I creating something new? If yes, use make.
Thank you so much for watching. Did this lesson make sense to you?
We hope we made a difference in your English learning today.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write 3 sentences, one with do, one with make, and one with both.
For example, yesterday I made a cake and did